Hello everybody! In this video, I will show you a super easy way to create an iridescent background. You can use it for your phone, your computer desktop wallpaper, or even add it to your existing illustration. So, let's get started. Okay, let's create a new canvas. Select the screen size and for the orientation, whether vertical or horizontal, according to your preference. If you want it for your phone background, you can set it as a vertical. For me, I'll set it to horizontal. After creating a canvas, go to the color panel and select a light gray color. Alternatively, you can choose a light blue, a light purple, or a light pink. I'll choose a light gray with a little mix of purple. Like this. The color should be very light, almost white, okay? Once you have the color, just fill the color to the whole canvas like this. The next step is to add the noise texture. Go to Adjustments and select Noise. To see the noise effect, you need to slide your Apple Pencil to the right. I'll move it to just around 20%. The iridescent background should be a very light color, resembling pearls. That's why I adjust the noise to only 20%.
Afterward, increase the scale to about 79%.
Next, I'll choose the Ridges option. Simply because I like how it looks and it also gives a shiny appearance, which is what I want for my iridescent effect. From here, you can select other options as you like. For me, I'll adjust the octaves at around 28%. And turbulence at around 83%. Okay, now you can see a very nice detail. The next step is to use the Liquify to create a silky abstract texture. Go to Adjustments again. Select the Liquify. I'll select the Push option. Set the size to about 90%. Pressure at max, distortion at none, and the momentum at about 50%. Add the momentum to the effect just a little bit. Now just have fun. I'm going to do it like this to stretch it out. It looks pretty nice. You can choose other options right here if you like. All right, the final step is to add the Chromatic Aberration. Go to the Adjustments for the last time. Choose the Chromatic Aberration. Select the Displace option. Then you can use your Apple Pencil or your finger, slide on your artwork to create an iridescent effect. Like this. Now you can see a prism effect, or what I call an iridescent effect. I'll adjust it just a little bit. I'm not going to overdo it. Just a little, okay? From here, you can also adjust the blur if you like. Also the transparency if you like too. For me, I'll leave both of them as they are. Just like that. It's very easy. You can also adjust the color by going to the adjustments. Select the hue, saturation, brightness, and just play around with it. I'm pretty happy with the result now. So, that's it. Now, you have created an iridescent background that you can use for your phone or computer's wallpaper or add it to your existing illustration. Remember, you can experiment with different colors, noise textures, and other Liquify options to create your unique iridescent background. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Masterclass. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.